What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the Shark Professional Iron. Okay, let's see what is this about. It's an intelligent temperature control, blast away wrinkles. Okay, let's see on the side. Shark, what makes our irons professional? Shark steam technology delivers powerful steam on all of our irons. XL premium stainless steel soleplate, uniform heat distribution and retention for outstanding performance every time. Electronic temperature control ensures optimal performance at every fabric setting. Okay, this is a professional one. Okay, let's see what is in the other side. Ensures optimal performance at every fabric setting. Okay, it says here, Shark intelligent temperature controls lets you select the temperature and then informs you precisely when the iron has reached that temperature, as you can see. And this is gonna be an unboxing for today. Let's see what do we have in here on top. Extended steam burst. Extended steam penetrates fibers and blasts away wrinkles. Self-cleaning helps maintain optimal performance throughout the iron's life. Multi-position auto shut-off. Advanced electronic technology shuts off iron in any position. It says right here, anti-drip prevents speeding at low temperature settings. XL stainless steel soleplate, superior glide and heat retention for quicker results. Okay, let's open this box. So you can see, let me see if I have something to cut this here. Just gonna use this pen. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, nice. It says here, welcome and congratulations on the purchase of your new Shark steam iron. Please read instruction and manual carefully before you use your Shark iron. To ensure only the highest quality irons are produced, Shark has pre-tested all of our irons at our factory. This is why you may see some water condensation on the inside of the water tank. Nice. Okay, let's see what is inside. We have right here some instructions. Do not return to the store. Okay, questions and problems. Okay, some stuff there. We have the instructions. Please be very careful using this. You don't want to get burned. Okay, there's some instructions here. Let's see. There you go, some paperwork. Okay, let's open this box right here so you can see. Nice. Let's remove the other part. We have this power. Comes in this bag. Okay, let's see how nice it is. Nice, check that out. Nice. It's all chrome. It's red on the side. It says here, when you fill this up, it says the max, auto shut off, extended steam burst, Shark brand. Nice. This is a nice one. Let's see on the top. As you can see, we have the controls here, other buttons. Let's see what it says. We have right here extended burst spray. You can play here with the temperature, self-clean. Nice. We have the fabric selector burst, so you can see. Nice. As you can see right here on the inside of the iron, you can see the controls. I hope you guys can see it. Linen, cotton, polyester, wool, silk, nylon, and power. Okay, let's see on the other side. It's the same thing. We have temperatures right here. See the plate, very nice. It's about like 12 inches long. Very nice. It's not that heavy. It's okay. It's not bad. On here we have the door to fill this up with water. So you can see this is the line max. Okay, let me see if I can connect this, if we can see any LEDs or anything inside of the iron panel. Yep. So you can see inside, check that out. We have the LED, green LED. Fabric selector, when you push this button, it switch from fabric, from different materials: linen, cotton, power, nylon, wool, silk, and polyester. As you can see, nice. Please do not play with this. You can burn yourself. Okay, nice. There you have it, guys. The Shark iron. Tell me, what do you think about this item? Subscribe, like, and comment. I'll talk to you later, guys.